Visual aids are like a superhero sidekick in the world of communication. They provide an extra boost of clarity. Consider using a whiteboard or writing, drawing tools to illustrate your point. It's like turning communication into an artistic masterpiece. Viola, a picture is worth 1,000 words, they say. And this little doodle perfectly represents the concept we're discussing. And you know what? For those of you who prefer the written word, fear not. The pen and paper method is your trusty companion. It's like having a conversation with secret notes, just like spies in a thrilling adventure. See? You are awesome.